I bought 2 of these for light-duty use. They are well constructed. However, the medium-weight nylon fabric would probably not endure really heavy use. The backpack is compact yet serviceable, which is what we needed. Great backpack? I didn't need the little wire dongles on the side, but it was still nice to have. Way more than what I expected from the price. Might buy again in the future just because it's great for work. I bought it for myself because I would be a college student this spring. When I received it, I was very excited. Not only I got it very soon, but also it's great quality. It has so many pockets that can hold many stuff, such as books, laptop, and necessities. The fabric is so strong that I don't worry about broken easily. I also like its night light reflective strips. It would make sure keep me safe after my class is over at night. I also found it has USB ports. It's an amazing design. I like it very much. Even though it has so many functions, it's not heavy. That's why I got the purchase. Purchased this backpack to carry food and water at Disneyland. It worked perfectly for that. The size is good and the straps are comfortable. My husband primarily wore it. Perfect size for getting in and off of rides. It is very good for everyday use, to work and to school. I am using it every day to work now. The size is perfect, neither too large nor too small. The size is perfect for my laptop and some notebooks for everyday use. And there are separate pockets to hold my phone, pens, wallets, and small personal items in an organized way. It is light-weighted and comfortable to walk with it. It makes my way to work with bright mood. I always take my laptop with me to work. This backpack is the best way to carry it. It is more ergonomic than a messenger bag, capable of holding more of what you need than a briefcase, and more stylish than a rolling bag. Easy to carry backpacks on buses, trains, cars. Even though I may stuff cloth and there is a lot room to pack. The school bag received is very good. It's very good to carry. It can hold a lot of things without much odor. The price is very good. Perfect size for my middle school daughter. She loves the backpack so much, can't wait to show her friend about the charger from her backpack. The backpack holds its shape nicely. I will purchase again for next school year. I needed a spacious backpack that protected my laptop, and this bag exceeded my expectations. It's actually very good and fits all my stuff with ample room, the pockets and spacious compartments, and the cushion on the back of the bag as well as the luggage strap are all perfect. The appearance is professional, and it doesn't look like every other backpack everyone is carrying. Especially, it also comes with USB and phone wire to connect charging port. It completely exceeded my expectations in quality, design and price. It could be used to hold laptop, textbook, binders and clothes. I absolutely love this backpack. Excellent buy. If you are looking for a backpack, this is it. I would highly recommend it. Buy it. Click link in description for more reviews.